Welcome to Toronto, Canada's largest city and a melting pot of cultures, cuisines, and creativity. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, Toronto has something for everyone. Let's explore the best of this vibrant metropolis. First up, the iconic CN Tower, a symbol of Toronto's skyline. Take the elevator up to the observation deck for breathtaking views, or if you're feeling adventurous, try the Edge Walk. It's the world's highest hands-free walk, 356 meters above the ground. Pro tip, visit at sunset for the most stunning views of the city and Lake Ontario. Next, head to St. Lawrence Market, one of the world's best food markets. From pea meal bacon sandwiches to fresh oysters, this is a foodie's paradise. Don't forget to try a Canadian classic, maple syrup. Kensington Market is Toronto's bohemian heart. This eclectic neighborhood is packed with vintage shops, street art, and global cuisine. Grab a coffee, explore the murals, and soak in the vibrant atmosphere. Art and history lovers, the Royal Ontario Museum is a must-visit. With over 6 million artifacts, from dinosaur skeletons to ancient Egyptian treasures, the ROM is one of North America's largest museums. Step into the Distillery district, a pedestrian-only village filled with art galleries, boutiques, and restaurants. During the holidays, it transforms into a magical wonderland with sparkling lights and festive markets. Escape the city buzz with a ferry ride to the Toronto Islands, rent a bike, relax on the beach, or enjoy a picnic with stunning views of the skyline. It's the perfect spot for a peaceful getaway. Toronto's food scene is as diverse as its people. From dim sum in Chinatown to jerk chicken in Little Jamaica, the city is a culinary adventure. Don't miss trying poutine, Canada's beloved dish of fries, cheese curds, and gravy. Art enthusiasts, the Art Gallery of Ontario is a treasure trove of creativity. With works by Canadian icons like the Group of Seven and international masterpieces, the AGO is a feast for the eyes. Toronto's entertainment district is the place to be for nightlife and culture. Catch a Broadway show, enjoy live music, or dance the night away at a trendy club. The city truly comes alive after dark. Nature lovers, don't miss High Park. This sprawling green space is perfect for hiking, picnicking, or simply relaxing. In spring, the cherry blossoms are a sight to behold, just like being in Japan. Toronto is a city of endless possibilities, where cultures collide, creativity thrives, and every corner has a story to tell. Which of these attractions are you adding to your itinerary? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel adventures. See you next time.